Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your windshield wipers on a 2020 Toyota Prius. This is ridiculously easy as it gets. It doesn't take any tools, and to be honest, it took me longer to get the windshield wipers out of the packaging than it did to get them on the car. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the very first thing we're going to do is lift the wiper arm up into a more workable position for both of these guys, and let's focus on the driver's side first. So right here is where we need to focus, and we can just push down this little, I'm gonna call it a button, just at the end of my fingertip. Just push down on that and pull up on the blade, and then it just comes out easy as can be. Here is the actual Toyota OEM and the real part number right there. I will do my best to leave a link down below in the description to this. Do you need the original Toyota wipers? No, you can just buy a cheapy set off of Amazon and you will be fine. And I'll leave a link down below to both of these options, to the Toyota OEM one and a brand that's a little more cost effective that I feel works fine. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box and put it on. Personally, I buy the cheaper wipers just because they go out all the time anyway, and it's really easy just to replace them, and then you have fresh wipers. So it looks exactly the same as our old wiper blade, and we can put it on exactly the way we took it off. So make sure the wiper blade is facing the right direction. You can tell because it has this bit of plastic just there, and you just line it up and slide it in. So I found it helpful to kind of lift up this piece of the wiper blade as you're sort of inserting it, like that. And then it just slides right into its home, and you'll see this sort of button, retract back into its home, and you can tug on it like this to make sure the wiper is installed fully, which it is because it can't come out. Now let's worry about the passenger side. So passenger side, second verse, same as the first, just push on the button and lift the smaller blade out. You can tell it's the passenger side because it is much smaller than the driver on this car. So again, here is the Toyota OEM part number. Again, you do not need this, fairly expensive original Toyota part. I mean, I do recommend them because they are nice to have the original fit and everything, but again, I use the cheaper ones and works fine for me. So again, more of the same. Lift up this little piece of the wiper, slot it into its home. Fold down on me. Just like that. Make sure it's not going anywhere, and these wiper blades are installed. And of course, we can just lower the arms gently back onto the glass. Just like that. And now we can focus on our rear wiper blade. So on the rear wiper blade, there's a little bit of a trick to it, because if you try to actuate the arm up, it gets stopped. And if you pull on it any harder, you will actually break something. So what you need to do is just grab this, shoulder piece and just move it backward like that. And then we can actuate our arm up. So we can carefully now move our wiper blade like this and pull it past the safety. And then just remove the blade by pulling it straight kind of this way and get that guy out of there. So we're going to orientate our windshield wiper blade like this, so this little notch is facing down, and then we can just feed it into the receiver like this until it can actuate up, and then just use your thumb. Doesn't take a lot of force, and that's looking pretty good. Then we can take our wiper arm blade, put it down onto the glass very gently, and replace this shoulder piece to where it was, until you hear that nice gratifying click. So that's how you change the windshield wipers on your 2020 Toyota Prius. Insanely easy. Please don't pay somebody to do this. You are definitely capable of doing this, saving you all kinds of money, because they are going to charge you top dollar to put on windshield wipers, which you could do in a parking lot, on the side of the road, driveway, garage, whatever. Very, very easy. Please do try this one for yourself at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please consider giving a like or subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.